Welcome. In this video we are going to learn sslyze information gathering tool in Linux. sslyze is a Python tool that can analyze the SSL configuration of a server by connecting to it. It is designed to be fast and comprehensive and should help organizations and testers identify misconfiguration affecting their SSL servers. Key features include multi-processed and multi-threaded scanning, SSL 2.0 or 3.0, and TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 compatibility, performance testing, session resumption and TLS ticket support, security testing, weak cipher suits, insecure renegotiation, crime, heartbleed, and more. Server certificate validation and revocation checking through OCSP stapling. Support for Start TLS handshakes on SMTP, XMPP, LDAP, POP, IMAP, RDP, and FTP. Support for client certificates when scanning servers that perform mutual authentication. XML output to further process the scan result. Let's open up terminal and type sslyze, fast and full-featured SSL scanner. Let's see the basic syntax or usage of sslyze tool. sslyze options: target1.com, target2.com, 443, etc. Here we must understand all the options. This option will help to gather the information from target URL. Options: -- version show program's version number and exit, -h help shows this help message and exit, -- xml_out equals to xml_file writes the scan result as an XML document to the file xml_file, -- targets_n equals to targets_n reads the list of targets to scan from the file targets_n. It should contain one host port per line. -- timeout equals to timeout sets the timeout value in seconds used for every socket connection made to the target server. The default is 5 seconds. Let's launch a regular scan type against the target host. So type sslyze -regular www.google.com. Here you can see that the scan result for google.com: session renegotiation, client initiated, renegotiation is rejected, secure renegotiation is supported. Here you can see that certification contains SHA1 fingerprint, F1DFA77, P37, and so on. You can see that common name, issuer, serial number, and so on. Here you can see that all certificates are trusted. You can scan the website using port address also. Type sslyze -regular www.google.com 443. Here you can see that the scan is started on Google 443 port. So that's all in this video on sslyze information gathering tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.